Concealer. Oh shit.
We've been on a tragedy for months. Why can't you agree with me for once? Maybe we can be on chill tonight. Maybe I can give you chill.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a soft glam makeup look. I do this look when I'm like going to the dinner with my friends and I don't want too much going on my eyes, but I want to still look cute, or when I'm going somewhere and still don't want to do a lot of things. If you guys want to see how I get this soft glam, continue watching and we'll get straight into the video. So I'm gonna start with my Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 9, and I'm gonna take my flat concealer brush and I'm gonna carve out the bottom of my brows.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
So after I conceal and blend out the bottom, I take any pencil that I used to fill in my brows and I just fill them in lightly and draw a tail for my brow. I mostly do this method when my brows are freshly shaved. So when I just shave my brows like them neat, that's when I really do this step. After I fill that in, take my brow gel and I form my brows.
I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much.
See? So I finished both of my brows and I'm gonna move straight into my eyes. I'm gonna take Masquerade Mini Palette by Juvia's Place, and I think I'm just gonna use one color from the palette or just two, but I'm gonna take this brown color called Zulu, and I'm gonna work that into my crease.
Lately, I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
That's just it. My eyes are done. I used one color from the palette and that's the Zulu, and I'm gonna do my other eye and then I'm gonna come back. So to just top off my eyes a little, I'm gonna take this really small Morphe brush. So it's the Morphe M213 brush. This color called Casablanca. Don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. And I'm gonna just put it in my inner tear duct. Blend it upwards a little. Alright, so I applied some lashes. I'm gonna prime with my Milk Hydro Grip primer.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some history.
And I'm gonna use my NARS foundation in the shade New Orleans.
But we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna.
So guys, now I'm moving on to concealing, and I'm gonna take the same concealer.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
So that happened. I'm gonna take the same concealer to highlight. Oh my god.
The only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget.
I'm gonna set using my Sasha Buttercup setting powder.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You may.
So because it's a soft glam, I'm not gonna do a cream contour, so I'm just gonna contour with my Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette.
This mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear
Using my blush. This is the Santi blush in the shade 09 Melba.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to.
And then I'm gonna highlight with my Carly Bible palette.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to.
Then now all I'm gonna do is line my lips. Line those lips, girl. The gloss that I already have on, I'm just gonna put on more.
Can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head.
So yes guys, this is my finished look. This is my soft glam, you can call it everyday makeup look. This is what I would wear if I wear makeup on a daily. Guys, you know what's coming. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to your girl's channel. Be a part of the Charm family. And yeah, this video is done. I'm trying to be consistent. Your girl is on a road to 500. And yeah, that's it. Too much talking. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.